Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix lag in PUBG Mobile so you can enjoy smoother gameplay. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Use Wi-Fi if possible, or switch to mobile data with strong signal. Next, close all background apps to free up memory and processing power on your device. Then, open PUBG Mobile settings and lower graphics settings. Set the graphics to smooth, frame rate to high or ultra if your device supports it, and disable extra visual effects like shadows and anti-aliasing. You can also enable the Auto Adjust Graphics feature to let the game optimize performance automatically. Clear cache in the app settings to remove temporary files that may slow down the game. Restart your device after making these changes to refresh performance. If lag continues, check for system updates or game updates, as patches often improve stability. Using these steps together will reduce lag, improve frame rate, and make PUBG Mobile much smoother and more enjoyable. Subscribe the channel for more videos.